Yeah, what a beautiful morning out here. Okay, let's get rolling. Hey everyone, we're back here at Whiskey Run Beach with the mule train. Let's see how this mule train gets down the beach. Yeah guys, when I'm back at home building this stuff, I just can't wait to get out and use it. And we have the day to do that. That blue thing, I'm thinking I'm going to use that real good today. Okay, let's get the sluice set up and bring you back. Okay, I found this spot yesterday. And that is mighty black. But is there anything in it? I checked it yesterday and I didn't have a shovel, so I had to kind of get surface. And there was a few little flakes, but they were awful small. So let's do a little testing and I'll show you what I find. Okay, now why I built this thing. Well, that's pretty poor. That's 3 specks is all I see. Now it's kind of in the bottom of the hole there. Yeah, that's way too small. Okay, observation here. Now, this black sand was like right at the surface is how I've seen it. And it goes down like a full shovelful. Now, put away, I just went down a shovelful and a little bit and there's no black sand. Until you get right around that rut or stick and it starts turning black right there. So I'm thinking the pocket is right from the stick to the blue thing. Maybe we got to call that something. The blue ring. How's that? Okay. Yeah, I think we'll move on. And no classifier. Well. Yeah, a little slow, not bad. You know, it's so warm out here, I mean, for the beach. Thought I'd take my shoes off. They're frozen now. So I guess it doesn't matter, I can't feel them anymore. Pretty good gold, but you never know. Okay, I just dug this one. Now, this is pure sand. And it'll just keep caving in on itself. See that? That's where my blue ring, like I say, this is like clam digging sand here. Anyway, I went down about 3 shovels deep, and no, nothing there. But look, it's leaching somewhere, from somewhere. Suppose you might have to dig a little trench across there. I'll put in a couple more. That only took a few minutes. So, okay, I'll get on that. Okay, we got a couple half buckets here. Took them out of that little spot there. Let's go down to sluice them and see what we get out of them. I think you got to do more than just a pan. I mean, it'd be nice to have it good and rich, but sometimes it's not in that little speck you took. Okay, let's get down to the beach. Oh, I'm not on some water. They almost overran that. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's good black, but it didn't look that rich, and it's real small. I guess everything's still back there. Oh, here's this trike. Hey, we made it back to the almost parking lot. Okay, we're gonna have to tow this one up here. Wow, check out that. They just cut all that timber. What a view. A week ago, this was all a tunnel down through here. Big timber both sides. Now it's gone. Look at that. Yeah, they just had this road closed. I see why. Wow. Okay, let's zero it out. I'm telling you, this is awfully small. I don't know how it can weigh anything at all. And there's still a little sand with it. And what did it? 0.04. Well, that's better than I thought it would. Anyway. Okay, all time 3552. Boy, that is just sticky, sticky, sticky. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna have to be cleaned out again. Oh, that shines better. Well, it wasn't a lot, but guess what? We know there's gold there now. Just a little more work and a little longer. That beach we can get, we can probably mine there for 6 hours without the tide messing with us. So, see you on the next one.